Okay, welcome back. So multiplying matrices is kind of weird. And I've never looked into why they made it this way. I probably should. But we're not going to do a lot with matrices this year. When you get Donner's Pre-Calc, you'll go a lot further. But here's what they do. First, you have to state the dimensions. This is a 2 by 2. This is also a 2 by 2. The columns of the first one, that's the second row and columns, has to be the same as the rows of the second one. So if you write the dimensions out, this in the middle have to be the same, and the new matrix should be this rows, this columns. Now this is 2 by 2 because that's what we're working with. And here's how it works. You go across down. So A is multiplied to E, that's 1, 1, plus B is multiplied to G. So that's in the first spot, row 1, column 1, because that's row 1, column 1. Then we have row 1, column 2. So that'd be A to F plus B to H. Now, row 2, column 1. Row 2, column 1 would be CE plus DG. Then CD to FH. So C to F plus D to H. Oops, I used capital letter there for some reason. So let's see. Could I multiply this matrix to this? Well, this is a 2 by 1 times a 1 by 3 columns. Well, notice the insides are the same. So if I did multiply, this would be a 2 by 3, would be the new one. Actually, I should have put this down here, but okay. So we would have row 1, column 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Row 1, column 2. 3 times 3 is 9. Row 1, column 3. 12. Row 2, column 1. Row 2, column 1. And row 2, column 1. So if I switch the order, put 1, 3, 4, I kind of squished it over here by mistake, but then 3, 4, so all I did was switch the order. Can I do that? Now, if you remember, that's called the commutative property, when you can switch the order of items and it doesn't affect it. Well, let's see. This would be a 1 by 3, and this is a 2 by 1. Are the middle numbers the same? No. So I can't multiply. Because if I did, I'd go across down 1 to 3, 3 to 4, but this 4 has nothing to join with. So you can't do. Okay, so let's look at this other page here. So I have some matrices at the top. A, B, C, D. So can I multiply A to B? That's what this says. So I would have a 2 here. Yes, I can. 2 and 2. So it's going to end up being a 2 by 2 again. So it'd be 2, 1, 3, 4, if you want to write it out. And that's a 1, 0, 2, 1. Now, let's do this in our head here. So the top row to the first column. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 3 times 0 is 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 3 times 1 is 3, so that's 7. 1 times 1 is 1. 4 times 0 is 0, so that'd be 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 4 times 1 is 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay, now, can I switch the order for this one? So since they're the exact same dimensions, 2 and 2, I can, but you cannot always do that. 2, 3, 1, 4. Now let's see if we get the same answer. So, oops. So, 1 to 2 is 2, 2 to 1 is 2, 2 to 2 is 4. Did I get 4 before? No! 1 to 2, 3 to 4, 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 4 is 8, so that'd be 11. Then 0 to 1 to 2 to 1, 0 times 2 is 0, 1 times 1 is 1, add them. 0 and 3 is 0, 1 and 4 is 4, add them. Okay, let's do B and C. 2 and 2, so I can actually do that together also. So that would be 1, 0, 2, 1. That's a 2 by 2. And this is, what is it? 1, 4, it looks like. 1, 4. Let's move it over. And that's a 2 by 1. So these two are the same, so I can multiply them together. And the resulting matrix will be 2 rows, 1 column. So let's see what we get. 1 to 2 to 1 to 4. So it's always a cross, down, cross, down. So 1 to 1 is 1, 2 to 4 is 8, 1 plus 8 is 9. 9. 0 to 1 is 0, 1 times 4 is 4, 0 plus 4 is 4, and we're done. That was fun. Okay, so now can we multiply B to D? So, oops, that's up there. So B is 2 by 2, D is 2 by 3, so the 2's go together, so yes, I can. So I'm going to copy them down so it's a little easier to do. 1, 2, 0, 1. And then D is bigger. Let's see. 3, 2, 0. And 1, 6, 0. So, I am way off the page. Sorry about that. I got to start looking a little better. So 1, row 1, column 1. So 1 to 3 is 1. 2 to 1 is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Row 1, column 2, this spot. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 and 6 is 12. That'd be 14. 2 plus 12. Then this and this and this and this, that's just 0. That's easy. Now, row 2, column 1. So, 0 times 3 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. So that'd be 1. 0 and 2 is 6. 0 times 2 is 0. 1 times 6 is 6. 0 plus 6 is 6. And then 0, 0 is 0. Excuse me. Now, can I multiply C to A? Well, C is a 2 by 1. And A is a 2 by 2. So can I multiply those two matrices together? And hopefully you said, no, because 1 and 2 do not match. And in fact, C, we're going across 1, but there's 2 numbers to go down. So you got 1, and so you want 2, and then that 1, no. So very last one, A to C. Can I do that? Well, this is 2 by 2. This is a 2 by 1. Yes, you can. So go ahead and do that. I'll write down A for you if you can't see it or didn't write it down. Here's C. So go ahead and multiply those two together and then turn me back on. Okay. So let's see what we have. 2 times 1, 3 times 4, that's 12, plus 2 is 14. Then 1 and 4, 1 and 4, 1 times 1 is 1, 4 times 4 is 16. So it's across, match it with down. Across, match it with down. 1 times 1 is 1, 4 times 4 is 16, that's 17. So we are done. Now, if you forgot or didn't write it down, again, I'm going to try to post it tomorrow if I don't forget. But that is the homework assignment. There. So that is all we're going to do with matrices. You can solve with matrices, but I'm going to let you do that in pre-calc. Goodbye.